Inday. Ako ito ay part 1 and this is me. So fantastic. Then guess what? So magluluto na lang ako dito. So sa step na pagkain, no. Wait. So ito na yung recess ko ngayon. Adan ako ng cup of my guess what? So ngayon, papalit na lang ako sa taas upang mag-change na damit. Matagal to, Inday. So, sorry. Wait lang. Ito na nga, Inday. So, naka-elevator na siya. So, magpalit na lang siya. And you don't need to wear and because nasa loob naman siya and kailangan niya na pambahay. This one. I like this one too. So, let me tago. And, hanap na lang ako ito ng mga things na pwede kagabi. Skincare, like, wow. So, read tayo ng books. Ay, books ba ito? Sorry. Kala ko books. Let me get this, my favorite teddy bear. And let's go to bed.
Babe, why aren't you answering my call?
Forgive me, my love.
And let me go to the sleep.
Why are you wearing my leggings?
So you just need to wait.
Good luck. Those are the ones that really...
Ay, umaga na. Palit na ako. Akan itong teddy bear ko. Let me keep this kasi ate yung favorite ko. Ano kaya suotin ko dyan, guys? Ito. Ano ba't ayun pangit? Iba ko ngayon ang damit ko. Yung damit ko ay... What's this? Ito, ang ganda. Pwede siya pang lakad. Teka. Nothing. Ang ganda na siya pang lakad, guys. And let me wear this. Because I'm gonna go... Wait. I forgot.
I've read the same panel 20 times.
Okay.
Bobby who?
I already checked it, so need to use my skincare first. Let me stay here for a moment because I'm gonna do a makeup. Just like that, it's only 12 o'clock. So, ano muna tayo, guys? So, yan na, guys. So, natapos niya na skincare niya and kailangan niya na mag-ready kasi late na siya sa ano. I don't know, late. Pero late na siya. Need to go to the elevator first. So, guys, kailangan niya na magdali kasi late na siya. Sino ba talaga hindi nagmamadali? Late na siya. So, kakain na lang siya, guys. Kung alam niyo pa ko sa pagkain. Ubusin na lang siya. Hindi na siya ng coffee. Isa pala yung mga burgers.
You girls better start pulling a knife because I'm about to win this thing.
So, let me bring my cell phone.
Is it hot in here?
Bag. So, bye guys. See you part 2. Oh, I mean, just joking. See you part 4.
You can see your face.